Fire is an ever-present hazard in Spokane, Washington. The dry summers and cold winters can create increased risk even in the heart of the city. Spokane Fire Department is responsible for keeping the community safe from fire-related threats. They maintain and inspect all fire suppression systems. The department educates the public about fire safety and offers fire prevention programs for schools and businesses. Fire safety is a top priority for them. Fire drills are conducted regularly to ensure Spokane residents are prepared in the event of a fire. It is important to take these drills seriously and follow all the necessary safety procedures. The department also works to reduce the number of fires in Spokane. They have programs to educate the public on how to prevent them, such as changing furnace filters and checking smoke detectors regularly. The department is always looking for volunteers to assist in their fire prevention efforts. These volunteers help out in the field and provide valuable information for the safety of the community. Fire breaks, or fire lanes, are an important tool in preventing fire in Spokane. Fire breaks help to contain fires and can be easily implemented in residential and commercial areas. The Spokane Fire Department educates the community on the use of fire extinguishers and the types of fires they are meant to fight. This education helps to ensure fires are fought safely. Smoke detectors are essential in preventing fire in Spokane. The department encourages people to test and replace the batteries in their smoke detectors every 6 months. Fire extinguishers should be placed in strategic locations around the home and in cars. It is important to remember the different types of fire extinguishers to make sure they are effective against the appropriate types of fires. Fireproofing homes and businesses is the primary way to protect against fire in Spokane. This process can be done by adding systems such as fire doors, smoke detectors, and fire auditors. When preparing for wildfires, Spokane residents are encouraged to develop a family emergency plan that outlines the steps to safety in the event of a wildfire. Homeowners are encouraged to create a defensible space in their yards that can help protect against severe wildfires. It is also important that everybody in Spokane be aware of fire regulations. There are certain restrictions on open fires and outdoor burning. The department also urges people to check regularly for damage or wear that could increase the risk of fire in their home. The importance of fire safety for people who live in rural areas surrounding Spokane also cannot be overstated. Fire prevention is especially important in these areas, such as limiting the use of open fires. Spokane City and the Fire Department have been proactive in enacting and enforcing ordinances for fire safety. These regulations cover areas such as spending limits for demo requests, fire marshal requirements, and fire inspections. To help assist citizens, the Spokane Fire Department offers fire safety classes. These classes teach citizens the proper use of fire extinguishers and other safety tips. In addition to fire safety classes, the fire department offers public demonstration on the proper use and procedures of fire extinguishers. This is especially important for children. Spokane Fire Department operates 2 major fire safety divisions. The first is the Fire Prevention Division. This division is responsible for investigating fires and enforcing the fire division regulations. The Fire Suppression Division. This division provides fire safety education and response to fires. Additionally, they manage fire resources and provide emergency medical services. The Spokane Fire Department works in partnership with the Spokane County Fire Consequence Model. This model provides data on the potential consequences of fires based on how ignited they were. Fire safety education is an important part of Spokane's fire prevention effort. Fire safety education is offered in schools and other venues. Fire safety tip sheets are distributed throughout the city and contain useful information such as fire safety precautions, types of fires, and fire emergency plans. The department also works with the Spokane Regional Fire Marshal's Office to enforce fire safety regulations. This includes plans reviews for new construction and inspections of existing buildings.